Learn English to Gujarati numbers, 0 to 10 with
9,
2.
10.
Welcome to Counting Chaos. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati numbers without falling asleep on number 3. We will laugh a little, count a lot, and make these words stick. Picture this. You walk into a tiny market with giant confidence and absolutely tiny language skills. You want to buy snacks, but your brain offers only dramatic silence. Then a friendly shopkeeper smiles. You point at an empty basket and say, the value is null. In Gujarati, that useful little word is
null.
Good start. Not many snacks, but excellent vocabulary. Then you spot 1 mango.
1,
Then 2 bananas.
2,
Then 3 cookies you absolutely did not plan to buy.
3.
Suddenly you are counting like a local hero. Your number crew. Let's meet the whole team from empty to 10. Say each one out loud like you are introducing celebrities at a red carpet event. Null is
null.
in tech or data, it means no value. 1 is
1,
hold up 1 finger and own it. 2 is
2,
2 socks if laundry has been kind to you. 3 is
3,
3 cookies disappear very quickly. 4 is
4,
think 4 wheels on a car. 5 is
5,
1 full hand. 6 is
6,
5 fingers and 1 more. 7 is
7,
7 days in a week. 8 is
8,
an octopus would approve. 9 is
9,
1 less than 10 and 1 step from glory. 10 is
10.
all your fingers together for a grand finale. The snack shop adventure. Now let's put the numbers into a silly little story. You just need to listen, imagine, and maybe not eat the imaginary cookies. You walk into the shop and the cashier asks how many items you want. First, your basket has
0,
items. Tragic. Then you add
1,
apple. Nice. Then
2,
oranges. Then
3,
bananas because apparently you are preparing for a fruit emergency. You continue with
4,
cookies,
5,
grapes, and
6.
pieces of candy. At this point the cashier is impressed, and also slightly worried. Then come
7,
peanuts,
8,
tiny cakes,
9,
crackers, and finally
10.
napkins because deep down you know this will get messy. Repeat after me. This part is simple and powerful. I say it, you repeat it, and your memory does the heavy lifting. Null.
0,
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Mini dialogues. Let's make the numbers feel alive. Here are tiny dialogues you can easily copy and practice. A. What is in the data field? B.
0,
A. How many books? B.
1,
A. How many cups? B.
2,
A. How many apples? B.
3,
A. How many chairs? B.
4,
A. How many fingers on one hand? B.
5,
A. How many mangoes do you want? B.
6,
A. How many days are in a week? B.
7,
A. How many books are on the table? B.
8,
A. How many birds do you see? B.
9,
A. How many fingers on both hands? B.
10.
Memory tricks that behave weirdly. A weird image is often easier to remember than a boring one. So yes, your brain is about to meet some very strange number friends. 4.
1.
Imagine one proud mango wearing sunglasses. 4.
2.
Imagine two shoes arguing over who is more fashionable. 4.
3.
Imagine 3 fish tacos on a throne. 4.
4.
Imagine a car with 4 square wheels still trying its best. 4.
5.
Look at your hand, 5 fingers, instant memory helper. 4.
6.
Imagine 6 chips crunching in chorus. 4.
7.
Imagine 7 colors of a rainbow dancing garba. 4.
8.
Imagine an octopus proudly counting all 8 arms. 4.
9.
Imagine 9 navy boats floating in a teacup. 4.
10.
Spread both hands and celebrate your 10 fingers. 4.
9.
Imagine an empty wallet opening dramatically to reveal absolutely nothing. Quick quiz time. No pressure. This is just your friendly brain doing a few push-ups. What is the Gujarati word for 1?
1.
What is the Gujarati word for 5?
5.
What is the Gujarati word for 10?
10.
What is the Gujarati word for null?
Null.
You hear.
7.
What does it mean? 7. You hear.
8.
What does it mean? 8. You hear.
No.
What does it mean? 9. Count with me. Now let's do the full sequence together. Smooth, steady, and just dramatic enough to feel important. Here we go.
Null. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And again, a little faster.
Null. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Friendly finish. You did it. You took a whole set of Gujarati number words and made them much less mysterious. Today you practiced.
Null. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
And
10.
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, count random objects around you, and do not worry if you mix things up at first. That is normal. You are building real Gujarati step by step, and you are doing great.